Kaelyn, are you helping Mee Mee? What?
You feeding the birds? Feed the birds. Get the bird food.
No, silly. Get the bird food out of the bucket.
Get it out of the bucket. Oh God, she's gonna fall.
Kaelyn.
Here she goes.
Where are you going? Kaelyn! Come back, baby.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Look up, you're not going to be able to see where you're going. You're so silly. Be careful. Why are you being bashful? Feed the birds. Feed the birds.
Okay, you done? Woo! Oh my goodness. It's raining bird food. What?
You tell her. Get back up here, Lexi. Tell her. Tell her.
Where's she going?
She looks so much skinnier in those little diapers.
Kaelyn? That was awkward.
She just wanted to touch your porch.
Watch out, don't run into that stick.
Get on your four-wheeler. Let's go ride. Come on. Mee Mee, go with you. Now Mee Mee will do it. Sit down, sit down. Mee Mee's gonna help you. Put your feet up. I can't be chasing you. Where are you going?
Woo! Hey!
She's waving.
Woo! Hi! Uh-oh!
Mee Mee's coming. Oh, oh, Mee Mee's gonna get you.
I know.